Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new nail art tutorial that's easy to create and look stunning. Let's get started. First, apply a layer of gel polish evenly all over the entire nail. I'm using a white gel polish, but you can choose any color you like. Make sure to apply a thick layer because we will be doing the nail art before curing it. So opt for a thicker polish for the best results. Next, take the second color for the design. I'm using blue, but you can pick any color you prefer. If you're adding more colors, make sure to choose one darker and one lighter shade to create a beautiful effect. Now create a C shape in the middle of the nail as shown in the video. Now using a toothpick to create strokes as shown in the video. Start from the edge of the C and make the strokes. After each stroke, clean the toothpick to avoid leaving blue marks on the edge of the nail C shape. Repeat this process, cleaning the toothpick each time you make a stroke. Once you're done, cure the nail under UV light to let it dry. After it's dry, apply a top shiny coat over the entire nail to add extra shine and seal the design. Cure it again under UV light for 30 seconds to let it dry. And that's it. Our nail art is complete. It's very beautiful. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have learned something new from this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay updated about more such videos in future. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.